The question today, can I program a hyperlapse into the Mini 3 Pro and then save it to fly another time with another battery, another day, whatever? And the answer is
so once you've set all your waypoints that you want to use, if you click on this little icon here, it takes you into here. If you press save, that will then save all those waypoints. And what I'm going to do now is fly back, change the battery, and then we'll go back out again. So I'm going back out again. I'm going to fly roughly where the first waypoint is, and then go back into hyperlapse, waypoints, get to the screen where you've got where it says set waypoints, click on that icon again, click on the waypoints you want to do, that will then load, and then press the red dot on the right, and that will begin to do the waypoints that you set earlier. And you can do it again and again and again, different times of the year, different times of the day. And that has now gone to the first waypoint. It will take its first photo once it's adjusted itself. There's number 1. So we won't wait for all these to go. Here's the hyperlapse.